A/B testing or split testing is a term you may have heard quite a bit about when people are talking about email marketing. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to use it properly to increase your email marketing conversions. Now, in a nutshell, A/B testing involves testing different variants of your email campaign to small sections of your database. You can then identify which version or campaign variant performs the best and send to the remainder of your database. Now, the beauty of email marketing is that it's completely transparent. Any decent email marketing software will provide you with a detailed set of analytical tools to look at how your subscribers are engaging with what you're sending. As marketeers, we are often guilty of assuming that we totally understand our target audience and the best way to engage with them. This is rarely true though, and also over time our viewers' behaviour can change. The reality is that as email marketeers, it's virtually impossible for us to know all of the variables of a campaign that might best convert. There are so many factors all having a bearing that we really need to find the best way of taking the guesswork out of a campaign before hitting send. This is where A/B testing becomes one of the most powerful tools that we can have at our disposal. It totally takes the guesswork out of our email marketing. It's easy for us to get wowed by great looking an email design and assume that just because you love it, everybody else will. It's quite common to assume that A/B testing just refers to sending different versions of your email design to different groups. Whilst yes, this is a key element, there's a whole host of other areas that you can split test. Each of these can have dramatic effects. Which day you send can have a huge effect on your engagements. It's easy to assume that the best day to send is the middle of the week. For years we've been conditioned to think that this is set in stone. Now, with more people opening emails on mobiles rather than desktop devices, this blows the midweek theory sky high. It's really worth using A/B testing to test different days, as this will yield dramatically different results. Following on from A/B testing on different days, the next area to test is different times. Again, this is massively influenced by the growth of mobile devices as the preferred device for most people to view emails on. This means that we should try send times that you might not normally use, such as evenings or before 9 AM. These times can be great for higher engagements because people are more focused on their mobiles rather than what's going on at work. Email marketing campaigns often live and die by the subject header. As this is typically the first thing that people see, it's really important to get this right. When using A/B testing, you can try different variants, including personalization, asking a question, or perhaps going straight in with a discount. Often small variations in the subject header line can yield dramatically different results. Now, when we talk about the header section, we're typically talking about the top 30% of your mailer. This would be the section that people first see. It's often referred to as above the fold. In this section, it's worth split testing two different versions, perhaps one with a large graphic and the other one with mainly text. Again, these two approaches can often yield massively different results. Do people positively respond to your branding, or does it just use up screen real estate unnecessarily? Well, there's only one way to find that out, and that's with A/B testing. Perhaps try one variant with your branding larger and front and centre, and the second could perhaps be more subtly placed, allowing more above the fold space to be allocated to your offer or header graphic. Now, another really important section is the call to action. This is what prompts your viewers to do something with your mailer by clicking a link or a button. How this looks, where it's placed, or what the text says can often have a huge effect on how many people click it. It's worth trying a few different variants of your mailer with the call to action, either as button or as text. This one is often neglected but can have a huge impact on the overall success of your campaign. It's worth trying one version from a person at, and then perhaps another from a department at, like marketing at. Lots of people see better results if they send from a person at. However, the reverse can sometimes be true depending on the product or service that you are marketing. So there's nothing set in stone, and try it is the golden rule. Again, try all possibilities. Don't assume that because you've always sent out from the same sender address that this will always yield the best delivery rates or engagement. When split testing, you will need to have a clear idea of exactly what your goals are. Now the common ones are either clicks or reads. Each one will require a different approach when it comes to A/B testing. Now any decent email marketing software will give you the ability to completely automate your A/B testing. It's well worth doing this on your next campaign. You might find that the results are not what you're expecting. Okay, so I hope you found this guide into A/B testing useful, and please don't hesitate to like or subscribe or watch some of the other videos on our channel. Thank you very much.